everyone, and welcome back to my channel. God, that was loud for an intro. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you are going to pack with me for my honeymoon. I'm so excited. So when you're watching this video, I will be 11 days away from my wedding, and I cannot believe that we're there, which means we're 12 days away from going on the honeymoon. I did make a blog post on packing with me, like my honeymoon packing list for an all-inclusive resort. I will leave that in the description bar below. This is more of a fun, lighthearted kind of video, just because I had a lot of fun on another pack with me video that I did and just wanted to do it again. So I'm just gonna show you some of the things I will be taking on my honeymoon. It will all be linked in the description bar below for you guys. And hopefully if you're, about to go on your honeymoon, you can kind of see what I'm taking. And maybe if you're taking something else, you can just tell me and I can maybe add it to my list. I don't know why I'm doing this with my hands a lot today. It's very strange. If you are new here, please make sure to go below and subscribe. I put up 2 new videos every single week in all different types of topics, and I would love it if you would join my YouTube family. I love each one of you so much, and I'm so grateful for you guys, and I pray for you every single day, and I love you, and it means the world to me that I have you guys. But I do want to go ahead and just quickly just shove this in this little video, because there's never a good time to say it, but I do need to say it. I got my second, not hate comment, but kind of just rude, pointless comment within the last few weeks. I've shared on my Instagram that I got the first one 2 or 3 weeks ago, and the girl was just like, "You make me gag." And I was like, "Oh, well then why do you follow me? Just go away." I want to go ahead and say I don't care about what people say to me or about me. It doesn't bother me. And while you are entitled to your own opinion, your opinion is not entitled to stay in my comment section. So you can fully have your rude, petty thoughts about my videos, but if it's not gonna be positive and it's not gonna be, great and something else that other people read and be like, "Aw," or that can help them or something, don't bother commenting it. Okay? Just don't, because there are 1,000 other places in this world that there is disgusting hate, and this channel is not going to be one of them. And I will filter every single comment on my YouTube channel forever if that is what it takes, because that just it's just not allowed on my channel. And so yeah, you can have your rude little opinions, but don't put them in the comment section, because I promise you I'm not even going to finish reading it before I erase it. I don't care. So now that I've gotten off that soapbox and you guys know where I sit on any future rude comments, let's just get into the video. Salem. Why? So this video is going to be a little less formal than other videos. I don't even have formal videos. This one's just going to be a little different. So this is my carry-on. It's just an American Living suitcase brand. I got this from my grandparents for a high school graduation many years ago, and it came with a suitcase as well. And I have traveled to Europe twice, and then New York and other places with this is my carry-on and that is my suitcase, and they have never torn up and they work amazing. So I definitely will recommend that brand. It'll be linked to the description box below. You know that. That'll be where it is. And it's got a nice lining. About your carry-on, obviously on our honeymoon, I can't really pack a carry-on until the day before or the day of, because this is where I'll pack my medicine, my makeup, things that if our luggage was to get lost, I can't go without. So I'll pack underwear and one change of clothes in here. It also has side pockets, and that's just where you need to keep your travel documents, obviously. If you don't want to be digging in your bag every 5 seconds, and I don't like to carry a purse when I travel because there's just so much other stuff you have to carry. So I put a clutch just down in here, and then I just take it through TSA, and I've never had an issue with that. So this is just what I'm going to be taking on the honeymoon. And then, oh my god, oh, so big and bulky. And then this is the suitcase, and it is a big old thing, brown. I've only had it at my house for 15 minutes because I got it from my mom's, and there's already cat hair all over it. So this does have that same inside lining as the carry-on. It's just like a houndstooth. It's really cute. It has some compartments and some zippers and stuff for you to travel with. so you don't have to have like accessory bags, which I actually really like about this suitcase. So I'm gonna get to packing. So we're going to an all-inclusive resort, and I'm only packing 3 pairs of shoes. That's honestly probably too many, but it's okay. I'm packing a pair of slides because sometimes I know me, I won't want to wear heels. I am packing a pair of Hobbiana flip-flops because that is what I'll wear to the beach, and then a pair of heels that I love, and they go with everything. So I'm just gonna pack super simple shoes because I can go ahead and tell you I'm gonna be wearing either a bathing suit or a dress. That's pretty much it. Next up, I have some dresses, and they're a mess. This is actually the dress I'm wearing to the rehearsal dinner. You cannot see how pretty this dress is, but it's just like a halter neck kind of dress, and I got it from Lulu's, and it is so cute. And I'm wearing it to the rehearsal, but I actually bought it for the honeymoon. I'm not one of those brides who like, I want to wear white to everything. I actually like to wear color so that I can like wear the dress to more than one places. So this is like the only true full white dress that I've worn. And so I'm taking it on my honeymoon, and I'll just wear it to dinner. Another dress I will wear that I am absolutely in love with, I think I've showed it, yeah, I've showed it to you guys on my Instagram before and already on YouTube, is this Pretty Little Things dress. I'll insert the picture right here. This dress is so cute. I wore it to a bridal shower, got so many compliments. And actually a girl I went to high school with is pregnant and due very soon, and she messaged me and asked about the sizing of this dress, and I don't know what size she ended up buying, but she bought it and it worked maternity. It looked amazing on her at her shower. So this is a super versatile dress. This isn't maternity, and she just wore it maternity, so you need it, I promise. And then this dress that is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but let me explain. So I got it from Forever 21, and you just can't see it, but it's clearly got a very low front. Well, I got a lot to work with here, and I don't like to wear low cut things, but I'm one of those girls, and I don't know if you're one of those girls, but I definitely am like, I'm married, I can wear whatever I want. And then I know there's some people who are different, and they're like, I'm married, I need to dress different. And I'm like, nah girl, I'm married, let it all show. But I'll be wearing this for my then husband, because I don't care what anyone else thinks, just him. And it's a low cut dress, and it's long, and it's so pretty. And if you have a small chest, it is like perfect, but I got a big chest and I'm wearing it anyway. Oh well. I'll actually fold my stuff. Next up, you already know, sunscreen, because, well, I don't want to get burned. Shorts for the middle of the day, and a big shirt for when I do get burned. Next up, I want to show you guys the cutest bikini ever. So this is a strapless bikini, and I got it off Amazon. It'll be linked below. You can't see this, but it's a strapless bikini that keeps the girls up. I mean, that's hard to do when they're as big as they are. But I love the strapless bikini, and it comes with high-waisted, like, they're not thong, but they're a little cheeky bottoms, and I am so gonna be wearing that on my honeymoon. And I'm also taking this thong bikini bottom or cheeky bikini bottom or whatever on my honeymoon, because like I said, I'm one of those women that I'm like, when I'm married, I can wear whatever I want because I'm dressing like that for my husband, and he's my husband, so I can. Finally, I don't know if I told you guys I'm going to an all-inclusive resort, but that's actually what the blog post was on, was a packing list for an all-inclusive resort. And actually, one thing I didn't know, you don't have to pack beach towels. They have beach towels for you every single day that you can like pick up, use, and then just like put in their hamper and they'll wash them. That is a huge space saver, because you guys know that like beach towels are huge and they take up so much room and they're so heavy. And so if you're going to all-inclusive, you ain't gotta pack a beach towel, so I'm not doing that. I am not taking makeup on my honeymoon, and if I do, it will just be tinted moisturizer, because I got lash extensions, and my fiance's always like, do you have makeup on? And I'm like, nope. And he's like, wow, you look like you have makeup on. And so I honestly don't want to deal with it on my honeymoon, so I just don't think I'm gonna wear any, so I'm not gonna take it. You can take makeup if you're one of those people who wants to, but like, I just don't see myself I don't like to wear a lot of makeup at the beach anyway, so I'm definitely not gonna wear it on my honeymoon. And part of me wants to tell you guys, I'm gonna take my exercise clothes because I'm gonna work out. I'm not going to. Like, I work out 3 times a week, every single week for this wedding, and I'm just like, My body needs a break. And so I'm not taking exercise clothes. And if you're going to an all-inclusive resort, I am almost 99.99% positive they do have a gym. So if you are an avid gym rat, then you may absolutely take your exercise clothes. And while I wish I was one of those people, I'm just not. Just gonna be real honest and say I'm not. My cats have officially destroyed that carry-on. I mean, they haven't destroyed it, but they're in it and they're both pretty fat. So I need to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you go below and subscribe if you are new here. I can't believe we're so close to the wedding. I've been getting questions if I will be vlogging the week of, and yes, I will be. I hope they'll go live on my honeymoon, but I'm not gonna like stress myself out about like editing during my honeymoon, so we'll see. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.